In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve GCash loading and login issues fast. If your GCash app is stuck on loading, keeps crashing, or won't let you sign in, a quick cleanup on your phone usually gets things back on track. We're going to do two safe, proven actions. Force stop the app to close anything stuck in the background and clear its cache to remove temporary files that can cause glitches. Don't worry, this does not erase your account or your saved data. Start by opening your phone's settings. You'll usually find the Settings app on your home screen, in your app drawer, or by tapping the gear icon from the quick panel. Once you're in Settings, look for Apps. On some phones, it might say Apps and Notifications or App Management, but the idea is the same. You want the list of all installed apps. In the apps list, search for GCash. Many phones have a search bar at the top. If not, just scroll until you find it. Tap GCash to open the App Info screen. This page controls how the app behaves on your device. First, tap Force Stop. If you see a confirmation prompt, go ahead and confirm. Force stopping closes the app immediately, along with any background process that might be frozen or looping. It's like giving the app a clean slate without uninstalling it. Next, look for Storage or Storage and Cache on the same App Info screen and tap it. Here, tap Clear Cache. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that can become outdated or corrupted and often cause loading or login problems. Avoid tapping Clear Data unless you're prepared to re-enter all details, because clearing data resets the app to its default state. For this fix, cache is all we need to clear. Now that you've force stopped GCash and cleared its cache, open the app again from your home screen or app drawer. Give it a few moments to rebuild fresh temporary files, then try logging in. You should notice smoother loading and fewer errors since the app isn't pulling from bad cache data or a stuck background session. If login succeeds, you're good to go. This quick maintenance is safe to repeat whenever the app feels sluggish or unresponsive. If you still see issues after this, it's often a temporary service hiccup or something outside your device, and trying again a little later can help. But in most cases, these two actions, force stop and clear cache, resolve GCash loading and login problems fast without touching your personal information or settings.